Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin just coming to you with another video. Today, it's going to be nutrients and supplements. It's a must-see video, so sit tight, because what I have to say about these supplements is unbelievable. Hold on, let me get my phone. Okay. So, I got heart disease, and I can feel my heart hurt from time to time. So, I said I want to get healthy. And I wasn't taking nothing. I wasn't taking any vitamins. I wasn't taking anything for years. So I said I wanted to get healthy. And I got 3 things here that is just like miracle drugs. And you got to take all 3 together. You can't split them up. I guess the first thing, the most important thing, would be the beetroot. What this is beetroot. It's a beet. Just a little maroon pill. You take 2 of them every day. And, basically, what Beets do, I got these on Amazon. Cheap. They were like 25 bucks or something like that. Maybe 40, I don't know. I don't even remember. But, Beets, clean your blood very well. And I can attest to that. Health benefits of beets. Fiber. Beets are high in fiber. Fiber can help you control blood sugar levels. So I'm diabetic, type 2. So that's going to help me. Control blood sugar levels. Maintain healthy weight. So I'm a little overweight, so that's going to help me with controlling my appetite. Lower cholesterol. I have high cholesterol. And stay regular nitrates. I don't know what that is. Beets contain nitrates, which help with blood vessels. So, SCOTA says that it can help with blood pressure and may also improve athletic performance and brain function. Okay, so I have schizophrenia. So that's brain function. So beets are like, I'm getting like quite a few benefits out of these beets because it helps brain function. And I have schizophrenia, and I have like restricted effect and all these kinds of side effects from schizophrenia. So being on a beet root is like hitting me all kinds of ways. Let's see what else the internet says. 6 proven health benefits to beets. That's not. Let's see what they got. May lower blood pressure. May improve athletic performance. May boost digestion. May improve brain health. May promote weight loss. I'm overweight, so that'll help. May prevent anemia. My mom's anemic, so she needs to be on this. May promote liver detoxification. It cleans your liver. Aids in weight loss, brain health, stamina, immunity, digestion. This beet root is like a miracle pill in one. So there are lots of ways you can get beetroot, but to take it specifically is what I wanted to do. So basically what I've done is you can get everything I'm going to show you in this episode, you can get like all in one pill. You don't have to outsource it. So basically, beets are like a superfood. They cleanse your blood and your liver. So, beets are a big one. I strongly recommend getting on a beetroot diet. This is 1,350 milligrams for 2 pills a day. Okay, the second one is Balance of Nature. Fruits and veggies. So basically, I like this because it's giving me all my fruits and veggies. Kind of smells fruity. The fruit smells fruity. And I'll show you what the pill looks like. I'm running out of battery power, so this may have to get done in two episodes. Here it is. It's red, but it's got all kinds of stuff in it. It smells good too. So here's the fruits. These are all fruits. And then here's the veggies. These are all different kinds of veggies. It's green, bright green. That's how you know you're buying a good product, is that both of these are colorful. You're maintaining the color of the fruits and veggies. This is going to help you in a lot of ways. Fiber, which is anti-cancer. You need to be healthy. So the thing about this is, you're never going to be able to get this nutrition any other way. You'd have to get Balance of Nature's fruits and veggies to do it. Because this has like 15 different fruits. And this has 15 different veggies. You would never be able to purchase all this stuff and buy it separately. You know, if you were going to buy all this stuff, it would cost you hundreds of dollars. So, this is a very good product. I just got on this, and I feel phenomenal. All my aches and pains went away. So, that's fruits and veggies. So, I'm getting some real good nutrients right off the bat with those 2 items. Now, the third item, which people on my channel have seen before, is 8 Greens. 8G. And this is, which people on my channel have seen before, it's 8 Greens. And it's an effervescent tablet. It's a little tablet in there. And you drop it into water, and it effervesces, and it's got 8 greens. It's got spinach, aloe vera, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass. So, this is going to be like clutch. Really, really clutch. This is going to give you all your greens that you need. It's got algae. It's got spinach, it's got kale. It's got everything. So I've outsourced everything. Is what I've done. So the three things I've shown you today, you can get all in one pill. And it's a little bit cheaper. But you're not getting as high doses of all the different things. I'm getting 8 different greens. I'm getting fruits and veggies. And I'm getting the beets, which clean the blood and clean the liver and keep you really healthy. Those are the 3 things you need to be on. And the only thing I'm going to add to that is fish oil. Because fish oil is very good for psychiatric patients. And I got schizophrenia, so I'm going to run out of battery power. So I got to conclude this video. But yeah, I really like these 3 things. And get on it. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.